Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do what's it called? Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in Davinci Resolve.
You also if interested in videography, video editing and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.
Okay guys, as I said, today I'm going to show you how to zoom. So we chose clip, which is we want to zoom in this lady as she comes out. We want to zoom at this lady in a particular point. So we want to zoom at her right here, for example. First of all, we need to cut the clip. We need to, of course, choose the duration of the zooming. So for example, I want to zoom in during this duration. I get now 3 sliced clips. Want to choose this one that I want to zoom in. I zoom like this. Oh, you see, the lady is off frame. So what we're going to do is mess around with these two, the x-axis and the y-axis if you want to. In this case, no need to mess around with this one. Okay, let's see the clip. You see, that's a zoom in. But that's a hard zoom in, to be honest. You might keep more duration by doing that. We cut it, of course. This is the blading tool. And if you want to zoom this clip the same as this one, we should check this out. Okay, 2.160. Zoom at 2.160. Yeah, 83358. Okay, check it out. Check it out. So boom. And if you want to reduce it, you can just make it like that. Easy. Look what just happened. Oh, wait a sec. A bit like that. Okay, that's a good zoom. You can crop. For example, we don't want this man. Can crop this man out of the frame, or zoom in till this man becomes off frame, for example. You can do whatever you want, but of course it depends on the quality of the clip. Yeah, let's delete these ones and let's zoom into this man's face. For example, we want to zoom in while he looks like this, while he's looking downward. So cut it. We choose, of course, the duration we want to zoom in. For example, from this one to this one, it really depends. It really doesn't it really doesn't affect the clip in a bad way if you zoom in a frame or two earlier, if you know what I mean. And let's see. Yeah, amazing. That's it. So guys, hope you enjoy. Check out other tutorials. Hope this one is helpful. If you want to subscribe for more amazing content, it's on the way. And see you soon.